Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Fashion Star Gold. In today's tutorial, I want to teach you on how to cut a corset that has a triangular shape or a triangular corset. So I've already gotten my measurements. Please, if you don't know how to cut a basic bodice, go to my channel, click on it and watch how to cut it from the beginning to the end. So I already drawn my line. I want to create the breast cup. This is my shoulder, my chest line, my bust line. This is my under bust, and this is the waistline, and this is the extra allowance that I added for the triangular shape, 7.5 inches. You can add more than that. So I'm going to draw a cuff line for the breast cup. That's breast cup line. So I want to take the breast cup for the front, at the center front. I've gotten the breast cup for the side and for the center front. So now I want to measure the corset. Remember, the bust span is 4.5 inches plus ½ inch. That's 5 inches. So I'm going to measure the 5 inches this way. This one is very easy. Then I'll come here and measure 4 inches. Measure 4 inches at the center. Then I'll come here and measure 1 inch at the chest line. This is the chest line. I now increase the line by 2 inches. That's for it to cover the bust so that it will not show off the bust. If you want the bust to show a little, you can add like ½ inch to 7.5. If you want the bust to show a little, you can come up by ½ inch. But I don't want the bust to show. That's why I'm coming up by 2 inches. The allowance is inclusive too. So I want to make the cuff. I'm cuffing it this way. I'll come here, connect from here to this place. As for the center cup, I'll come here and join it. Then I'll connect it to this point. I'll blend the line. Then from here, I'll come down by 6.5 inches. I want the side bust to be covered. I'll take it like this. From here, I'll come down by ½ inch. Connect it this way. Then I'll join this place to this place. So I'm going to join this line to the end. That's ½ inch at the center. This is 1.5 inches, so I'll draw it to the end this way. I'll join this one to the extra 7.5 inches allowance that I added because of the triangular shape. So now I want to create the triangular shape now. Remember, this is my waistline, so I'll connect from here to the tip. Is it I connect from here to the tip, or I connect from here to this place? But I'm going to stop here. I'll connect it to the tip of the center. That's the triangular shape. Connecting it this way. Remember, it's a triangular corset blouse. The triangular portion will only be at the front. So here, I will come here and take 1 inch. I'll take another 1 inch here. Then I'll connect the dart to the bust point. So I'm connecting the dart to the bust point now. Then I'll still curve it a little bit. Just blend the line, curve it a little bit. So this is a triangular corset. I'm going to cut it out now. I'm cutting the center portion now, cutting the dart out. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please try and do so. It's a new channel. Please support me, help me to grow. Thank you so much for subscribing. So this is the triangular corset. This is how it looks like. This is how the corset look like. But I'm going to cut out the cup. I have a video on how to cut and sew a corset. Please check out, click and watch from the beginning to the end so that you know how to sew it. This one is a triangular corset. So that's a triangular corset. This is the front pattern. It's so beautiful. I want to cut the back side of it. I've already drawn out the measurement. This is the basic bodice. This is the back of it. If you don't know how to watch, please go to my channel, click on it and watch how to cut it very well. So I'm going to come down from the shoulder. I'll measure 10 inches. You can take 12 inches, you can take 11 inches. I measure 10 inches, then I'll connect it. So this place here, I'm going to curve it this way. It might not necessarily be the curve type, it might be straight. You can make it straight, down, but my own I want it to be curved. So this is the back side of it. The back should not be triangular shape. It depends on what you want. If you want the front and back to be triangular shape, you now slope it from the waist here down to the tip of the center bag. So this is how the bag looks like. This is the cutting of the bag. This is the bag. This is the back and this is the front. So to cut the triangular shape is very easy. You can add between 8 to 10 inches, then slope it down to the tip of the center. It will make that triangular shape for you at the front. You can also add to the back, but most time I don't really see people using it at the back. It's only at the front. So this is how to cut a triangular corset blouse. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not done so. Thank you so much.